Happy May 23rd, everyone. Oil news in 27 minutes. Let's take a look on S&P, what played out this month. And next we will review oil prior to the news and what to expect on oil. So this is S&P. This is a chart that's been present in the trading room since early May. This is a chart that shows you, if you know where trend inception is, and you buy at institutional support, and you trade with institutions, not into Fibonacci level, but from Fibonacci level, you are in excellent shape. This is your key day trading chart that you can convert to any chart you choose to trade. This is Fibonacci support present in the trading room since early May. This is where a knowledgeable trader monitors for long. What is the problem this morning on S&P? This is where S&P is now. Knowledgeable trader knows this. Not the place to buy. What is absolutely crucial on S&P? And what is the end of the correction? This support. As we discussed since early this morning, we're dealing with overextended bullish push. We're dealing with correction. We need sell-off. Price came very close to reversal zone and finding selling pressure. Only then market will become interesting. Not correction, not meaningless fluff that's playing out in front of you. Take a look on one. But powerful selling pressure is what we need. This is what holding markets sell-off. This Fibonacci support that keeping you out of trouble and showing you correction. Not the time to short market yet. As price reminding you, buyers continue pushing higher. Look at that. Ultimate war zone for the last 25 minutes. Ultimate chop. Ultimate reminder. Do not buy this high. If you do, what is the best case scenario? Ultimate pain, ultimate torture. Non-stop chop, back and forth. This is a place where we will be monitoring for short. Bullish push overextended. Knowledgeable trader knows that. Trading room had been open less than 18 hours. On morning like this, price reminding you, knowledge is power. Being a follower in day trading never a recipe for success. Knowledge, patience and execution, the key to day trading success. Overextended bullish push, when only broker making money, market in pain. Short's not an option, it's a correction. Crawler zone. So, it's gonna give me way too many lines. I don't like many lines on the chart, guys. We're in very powerful place on short. Everyone clear on that? So S&P crawled up to this reversal zone, and this is Nasdaq weekly. Identical twin image as S&P. Nasdaq in massive correction. So if you want to trade with institutions and not against them, weekly chart is absolutely essential to your success. Nasdaq in massive correction on weekly. So you can convert this chart to any chart you want to trade. Do you want to trade 5 minute? Do you want to trade hourly? Absolutely all exact same formula. Buy at support, not into reversal zone. Long-term chart. Identical structure as on S&P. Our extended bullish rally is not a pretty place to be. Expect sell-off. And this is S&P right now. No matter what chart you trade, before oil news. Market not selling off yet. Not yet. But again, S&P had done all we expected. From key Fibonacci support identified since early May. Buy at trend inception. We are monitoring for short. We need extremely bearish news on oil. Will be such a good news for S&P trader. So keep your fingers crossed. Rules are met. Take a trade. No matter what chart you trade, S&P at reversal zone traders. Monitor for reversal. The only thing you have to do, separate correction from reversal. Buy at trend inception. This was a dance we dealt with for 30 minutes. So here we go, traders. I warned you. Every single time price comes to reversal zone, rules are met, take a trade. This is expected. The only thing that happens at reversal zone, price collapses 80+% of the time. Price stages worthless correction, maximum 15-20% of the time. So far, it's been only a correction. It's not sell-off yet. It is a very powerful place, for sure. However, pulling a trigger randomly, never a recipe for success. Only if rules are met, take a trade. If you drive the car and stay between two lines, based on the rules, why do people think that schlepping market order is recipe for success? For success of broker, not the trader. Stop limit bracket orders only. I can have 10, 15, 20 trades in front of me. For the trading room, I will bring up one. Occasionally, I will bring up two at the same time. Every single trade I convert to 1 minute chart on purpose, so you will see the accuracy of the method to the tick. Bearish correction only. We need sell-off. Oil news -2 ME. More negative the number, more bullish the news. More positive the number, more bearish the news. Oil news completely inverse. Oversupply bearish, undersupply bullish. No matter what the news is, we don't care if it's bearish or bullish, we would love for it to be bearish. This is Fibonacci resistance, present in front of you for weeks. I'm converting this chart to 1-minute chart. First 5 minutes, knowledgeable trader allows oil to settle down. Oil already reached this Fibonacci resistance, present in front of you for weeks, identified well before selling pressure played out. Lower oil collapses to Fibonacci support. That's where a knowledgeable trader will be monitoring for short. Oil news in 2 minutes. And again, plenty of space to reversal zone 73. However, first Fibonacci resistance in front of you. No matter how bullish the news is, not the place to enter into. Buy at support where oil was last week, not into resistance. My goodness, how did I know? Boom. It never gets old. Shock or not, that was expected. Did we know that oil will retrace from Fibonacci resistance? Of course. Quite a lovely reminder. Only if you play by the rules, the sky's the limit. I have no idea what oil news is. Let's take a look. Extremely bearish. It's a beautiful news for S&P trader, as S&P heading south, south, south. Knowledgeable trader already in a trade, bringing up the trade, market moving extremely fast to the downside. Take a look. I can speak only so fast. I will bring up multiple other trades. To the downside 27.16. Remember decision point 2 never to be ignored. Shock or not, we begged and pleaded for bearish news because S&P was at reversal zone. We've gotten one. Crash and burn S&P, you start seeing institutional sell-off. Start moving your stop very, very carefully. When price comes close to this area, you will start seeing very powerful bullish pullbacks. Clear on that? And that's the power of Fibonacci. And that's the power of knowledge. What did you learn this morning, ladies and gentlemen? How many trades you need? You don't need many. What you need is knowledge. To the downside, price reached reversal zone. My goodness. Shock or not. Will price skyrocket to the upside again? This is when knowledgeable trader takes profits off the table and moving his stop outside of break-even. Boom. Knowledge is power. Shorting into reversal zone never recipe into success. Shorting from reversal zone, rules are met, always is. Clear on that? Multiple trades in front of me. For the trading room, I brought up one. Give yourself a favor, trail carefully. Trail right outside 27.16 and a quarter. Power of the method in trend inception. Power of the method in sniper's discipline, which is the core of the method. Always be on defense and always and forever play by the rules. We knew and expected this. No surprise. market in free fall. However, this is very important area where buyers can step in from with vengeance, which is what happened before. It's also a reversal zone on your trade. Again, trade not on one, trade converted to one on purpose. So you can see the accuracy of the method to the tick. And that's oil. Are you surprised it reached Fibonacci support and finding buyers? Should not be. That's what Fibonacci said. The only thing, doesn't mean anything yet. Fibonacci levels present in front of you for weeks in a play to the tick. That's the reason I love oil news. Fibonacci reversal zone is present on S&P. S&P can rally now for at least a little while. Trail placed in perfect place. It's not speculative, it's not random. What you're witnessing in front of you is 10 years of work with price action and Fibonacci. This is how many points Jin is. Jin does both options and day trades S&P. Out with 6 points and 5 lots. He placed his order correctly. He is in different trade. Joseph, hedge fund manager. Trading ETFs, trading oil, trading gold. Drastically different account size for both. Drastically different circumstances. Jin is retiree, lives in Texas and Europe. Used to be oil executive. Very different stories than Joseph. What your story is, only you know. Stories like Joseph, story like Jin, to whom you can listen on the website, is the reason I live and breathe what I do. Trail placed in perfect place. Remember that? Not random. How many lots, how many points you are up depends on how you enter the position and what trade you took. Non-stop bullish corrections at reversal zone. We expect price to crash through reversal zone and collapse drastically lower. Jin knows that. He's using options for that. And this is oil. 11 minutes after the news. My goodness, how predictable is oil? Frozen at Fibonacci support. But no one is buying oil. And again, if I convert this chart to hourly, it will remind you this was oil last week. If you missed that video, you can pull it up on our YouTube channel, where you can also follow me for all daily updates. Key Fibonacci resistance, right now key Fibonacci support. Look at that. No matter what chart you trade. Bearish news doesn't mean a thing. Oil right now can skyrocket in bullish rally. Rules are met, take a trade. Never short into Fibonacci support. Never buy into Fibonacci resistance. Flawless reminder. Only if you play by the rules, only if you apply Fibonacci levels correctly, you can succeed. All the details in the course. If you click on Learn page, the dates will be updated today. Course will start from scratch next Tuesday. Key Fibonacci class this Friday. On Friday, we are addressing long-term charts. And here we go. Live classes, 8 weeks. Private mentoring 16 includes all live classes. In private mentoring, concentrate on your execution as well. We are addressing risk management, psychology all throughout the course. Sooner you sign up, more prepared for summer bootcamp you will be. I will announce the date sometimes next week. So, sooner you sign up, more polished and prepared for a bootcamp you will be. Highly encourage you listen to graduates like Joseph, like Jean on the website, where traders from beginner to hedge fund trader trading the method. So let's see what's happening on that trade on S&P as it reached reversal zone. Are you surprised? Market may rally right now on S&P and oil before we close the room? Should not be. It's key reversal zone on S&P. It's key support on oil. Reversal zone is reached. And that's how you trade oil news. And that's how you trade pure price and Fibonacci. Nothing less, nothing more. Adjust the trail carefully. Private mentoring currently waiting list. If you sign up for group course, you will have priority for private mentoring. That's it. No matter what you trade. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. Apply to any instrument, any time frame, any platform. Expect much better crash next. As I warned you, we were in flawless place for short. A trend inception once again. And that's the power of the method. No matter what you trade. Clear on that? This is where buyers came from, remember that? This morning, as we watched in pain, overextended bullish push? This is holding the key right now on S&P. Look at this range. Look at this dance. All the same formula. This is where Tesla is now. Identical level, identical place. What is the difference? This is your investment decisions. Tesla crashing to here. Where to enter your position, where to place your stop, you must know the rules. All the same strategy. Exact same reversal zone on Tesla as you saw on S&P this morning. S&P in free fall. This level is out. Institutional sell-off in a progress. Jean knows that, and that's why he has options on his trade. So, this is trade number 19. Trading room been open a whole lot less than 20 hours. Out of 19 trades, 18 trades reached Fibonacci targets. Every single trade, different stop, different target. On this particular trade, we broke through reversal zone. Everyone seeing this? The importance of proper trail and the importance of proper trade. Every trade, different stop, different target. And that's how you trade. So, any questions for me, never hesitate to contact me. Contact us page in front of you, info@fibinstitute.com or 925-257-4298. Have a wonderful afternoon, my beautiful alphys. Let's go into trade recap.